Howdy, pipe drivers. James here again, and today we're going to show you how you can automatically schedule follow up activities using workflow automation. Why would we do this? Well, traditionally, what you may find yourself doing is agreeing with your team on a specific process that involves, for instance, scheduling activities with your leads. Now, let's say, for example, it's standard that every time a deal goes from the lead in stage to the contact made stage, we schedule a follow up activity of some sort. Well, you could either depend on each individual to schedule these activities themselves, or you can manually assign those activities to them, or you could just use workflow automation and save yourself all that manual labor, which makes it easy to streamline your sales process and onboard new sales reps. To set this up, let's start a new workflow, and our trigger event will be whenever a deal is updated. Now we'll specify what exactly needs to be updated in a deal to have the activity assigned in the first place. In this case, we'll say that the stage has to have recently changed and needs to be specifically in a certain stage, and that the owner of the deal has to be me. This prevents us from accidentally assigning activities to deals that other Pipedrive users own instead of just deals that I own. Now that we've set that up, let's create an action for this workflow, and in this case, it'll be to create an activity. Now we can title that activity anything we'd like, or we can hit the open bracket to bring up a list of data fields that can automatically populate the title. Next, we're going to expand the various activity-related fields we can specify. Like we want to specify what the activity is linked to, and in this case, we want it to be the deal, and it will already be associated with the contact that's related to that deal anyway. And let's give it a date. And since these activities are associated with deals that I own, let's make sure that they're assigned to me. Although you could assign these activities to whoever you'd like, actually. It opens lots of possibilities. So now let's just give it a little test run and move a deal into this stage. And that's how the cookie crumbles, everybody. So have fun and get jiggy with it. Until next time, pipe drivers.